How to fix blue screen of death error in Windows 10. Here are some common tips that may help fix blue screen of death error in Windows 10. 1. Run system restore or reinstall Windows. 2. Ensure enough space on the C drive. If not, Google and try some methods to free up your system disk. 3. Scan for virus or malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Install the latest drivers for hardware using the recommended Avast Driver Updater in this video guide. 5. Apply available Windows service packs and updates. 6. For advanced Windows users only, check the system and application logs. 7. Restore BIOS to default settings. Last but not least, 1. Back up your data and documents regularly. 2. Keep your PC clean and tidy. 3. Try Microsoft's BSOD Error Online Troubleshooter.